Whoa, this crowd's rotating now.
Look at this thing, man. You think that this could be able to produce a tornado? As one drops down right in front of us, holy fuck, would we shit our pants or what? Oh, yeah.
That could be a walkout over there. No, that's not a walkout.
There's a lot of twisting and turning in there, man. Yeah. We are going to get blown right over it. Seriously, it feels like I'm going to get blown. It's going to get blown over. Right there again. There's some crazy ass turning around, man.
Holy shit.
Is this seriously going to blow us over? Good thing there's no big trees.
Alright, we're going to get fucking poured on.
Dude!
What?
Wait for it to blow us over, man. Trees aren't moving. I hear them starting.
Here it goes. Here we go. Watch it. Watch these trees. There it is. There it is. There's that one.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Here we go. Watch that tree.
How fast?
How fast yet?
Oh my god.
Here we go. We're not even in the fucker yet. Here it comes. Here it comes there, Dirty. Holy shit. Somebody got that on camera. There it is. Yes! You know these! You know these! About 40. Holy shit, this is fucking cool. Oh, look at this map. Want me again and do it again? Oh shit, here comes the rain. See it? It's over by the freeway.
Oh yeah, let's watch it.
See it, rain? It's by the freeway.
Oh, upwards of 40 for sure.
Holy shit, that's over 40. Holy shit.
Not get
Jesus, past the Antichrist. Here it comes. Here comes the rain. Holy shit. I love watching kids see you. Oh, it's raining fucking perfect. Watch fucking golf. They'll come fucking shoot down. Yeah, here we go.
Iron Ridge by 5:50 p.m.
Here it comes.
5:45 p.m. by Lemira, and we're like,
by Lemira.
Yeah, Lemira's like right there.
Wisconsin.
You gonna hail?
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m.
It did get hail.
Dodge and Fond du Lac counties at 5:42 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar.
Yeah, we need a wind to them.
Line of severe
Can I beat that heavy rain? It's still making its way here.
Damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These
Oh man, that's gotta be
along the line extending from Meade to Tinsdale.
There it is.
Extending from 6 miles southeast of Fond du Lac to Columbus, moving east at 20.
Columbus. There's another severe thunderstorm behind this one.
Saint Cloud by 6:05 p.m. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Monday evening for southeastern Wisconsin.